Alright, guys, I wanted to show y'all that I actually got my system. It's not quite where I want it to be, but I just wanted to test out the making an image of my system and being able to back my system up whenever I decide I need to. And all I did was updated my source, got an update, and then I went and installed the program. The program that I used was Remaster System Backup. And basically all you do is you start it up. It'll tell you to close down all your windows, and I have a ton of windows open right now, as you can see all down here. But I'm not going to actually run the thing. But you have all these choices here that you do as far as backing your system up. And this one is a full backup basically, and it's doing your user data, your program, your operating system, and everything else. I had issues with this one. I think it's because my system was just too big in order to do the ISO. So I think that's the error that was running at me. But I'm not really sure because it was a while back now. But I used this one, which is to make a copy so you could share with friends and stuff like that. I imagine you could do something like this as well, or the distro. But I did this one and it worked fine, and honestly it only took about 45 minutes to an hour, so that was really impressive on how quickly it did it. I'm gonna go ahead and cancel this out. Basically the rest of it's all just a little wizard kind of thing, and it runs in the background. I think you do one or two more clicks and that's it. Once it's done, it'll create a folder called Remaster System here, and this is what it creates right here. This is your actual ISO that you could take and reinstall on your system whenever you want to. I actually connected it to a virtual machine, and we'll go ahead and start that up right now so you can see the similarities of the system. Now the thing is, that was the splash screen that the program comes with. The thing is that the system, all the programs are exactly the same, all the settings are pretty much the same as far as, I imagine that, I didn't check the drivers. I imagine the drivers are probably the same, but that's definitely something I didn't check out. But I'll look at it now. I'm looking at this, but I'm going to show you quickly, and this is the live version. I didn't install it because it's I think it's a little over 22 gigs, and I just don't want to fill up my terabyte just to demonstrate this. So I've got a live version right now. This is the accessories, and you can see I've got Adobe Air, Avant, Docky, Pandora, Quick Synergy, Screen. These are all things that don't come, pre-built in the regular Ubuntu's. Like, let's see my graphics. And I used Ubuntu Super OS, so I had some pre-installed stuff, but I went ahead and made it more like a Ubuntu Studio. So I've got a lot more studio type things. Here's all the programs I use. Here's all my sound and video stuff. Now, one thing I didn't notice right here, that I had folders built up here to separate the sound and audio. And that kind of upsets me a little bit, but what are you gonna do, right? You got VirtualBox installed, Dock, all these things that are just not natively installed are there. So I did say I wanted to check. So I do have NVIDIA settings still here, so I must have the drivers as well. But anyways, as you can see, they're trying to upgrade me already, and I don't want it because I'm in live. This is my system here, and as you can see, and this is what I was saying, I had them all separated out by folders. But as you can see, everything that I have on this current system is actually on this live CD now, so that is a big plus when you're trying to restore something that's, for some reason your hard drive went down or whatever. You can go right back to one point that you had and build from there. believe me, after all this building that I've done on this system, I don't want to do any more. Not that, I mean, I'm lazy or anything, it's just exhausting. So anyways, I just thought I would show you all that. I'll bring that into work too, and let y'all play around with it and see what y'all think. But anyways, talk to y'all later. Bye.